Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to craft cinema poster stand in Heartopia like this. So first, make sure you already has this recipe, this furniture recipe. You can get this furniture recipe from the battle pass at the Dreamlight event, Dreamlight cinematic event. And after that, after you have this recipe, just go to your workbench and then just tap on the cinema poster stand. Just use this recipe and then just complete all the materials. You need timber, stone, and then light and shadow material pack. And after that, adjust the amount and then just simply tap on craft. Hold and continue. And just like this, you will get this cinema poster stand. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.